Foreclosed single-family homes and condominiums are being offered at substantial savings for potential purchasers these days. It's definitely a buyer's market and will probably continue to be so until the glut of foreclosed homes works its way through the marketplace. Are good deals available? You bet. However, a buyer of a condominium needs to be aware of some things that might make the deal less good. The Illinois Condominium Property Act states that if you buy a foreclosed property from a bank, and this includes Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or HUD, you are responsible for assessments for the 6 months immediately prior to when the association instituted legal action to collect the assessments, assuming that such assessment is still unpaid. If the homeowner did not pay assessments for more than 6 months before the association took legal action, you are still only liable for 6 months' assessments. If the association never took legal action, you are not responsible for the assessments at all. Say what? That's right. Typically, a buyer would expect that the title he receives for any property is free from any prior liens or encumbrances, except perhaps for unpaid and/or unbilled real estate taxes. Well, that's what your contract may say, but Illinois law supersedes that and may make a buyer of a foreclosed property liable for up to 6 months of condo dues, plus attorney's fees for collecting those dues at the time of the closing. Can you make us think about it? Sure. Will you be successful and not have to pay the dues? Maybe. The feedback I've gotten was that it's decided on a case-by-case basis and there's no way to predict the outcome. The point being, however, is that before you make a bid or enter into a contract for the purchase of a foreclosed condo, make a call to the association to see if there are any surprises in store for you at the closing. I'm guessing that even if you have to pay the dues, there still are some great deals out there. But having called the association beforehand, you'll know about your obligations and be able to make appropriate financial decisions.